Today for review we have the Redragon K585 DITI one-handed keyboard. Fun fact, in Hinduism, DITI is an earth goddess. The K585 is in a league of its own, with its major competitors being the Razer Tartarus V2 and Orb Weaver at half the cost. While on the opposite end you have options that are literally keyboards cut in half, retaining the same key layout. Redragon, however, has repositioned and resized the spacebar for a more relaxed hand shape that is very comfortable. The switches are hot swappable, and I have put Utemo Bronze in mine, though they come with Utemo Blues. The G2 through G5 keys are soldered in, so I still retain them. Another thing that sets this keyboard apart is the cable is removable USB-C and has a USB pass-through next to it. Note that this is still USB 2.0 though. The wrist rest is held on magnetically and feels very secure when attached. The M keys along the top hold several presets for the RGBs that can be stored in the onboard memory. All of the keys are reprogrammable via hardware remapping, but they also offer software controls. The application is fairly basic and intuitive when it actually works. As you can see, we do have options for USB polling rate, and remapping a key is easy as selecting a key to remap and then choosing the key you want it to be. You can even put in keys that are not available on the keyboard itself. I have volume up, volume down, Windows, and enter reprogrammed in. There are also multiple profiles which are related to the M keys along the top row. Finally, with that sweet RGB, we get a couple of moving patterns and solid color choices with brightness levels as well. I think the Redragon K585 DITI is a great option for those that want to get into the one-handed keyboard arena without breaking the bank. It comes packed with features and would be an excellent addition to a gaming laptop and would travel well. I'm giving the K585 4 out of 5 bananas and would recommend any interested pull the trigger and try this thing out.